Hello everyone. Let's learn the R and the O digraph sounds. R and O sounds, and we're going to name the things that has the R and the O sound. Are you ready? Let's go. Now we have two letters here, A and R. Together they are special friends and make the R sound. R, R. Now let's name the things that has the R sound. Car, car. Star, star. Jar, jar. Bar, bar. Park, park. Yarn, yarn. Farm, farm. Arm, arm. Dark, dark. Far, far. Well done everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done. Hello parents. Please visit my Etsy store where you will find many handmade resources created by an earliest teacher, that is me, to support your child's early reading, writing and math skills. These engaging and educational resources are designed to make learning fun and effective. I will leave the link below. I hope you like it. Thank you for your support. Now we have two more letters, O and R. Together they are special friends and make one sound, O, O, O. Now let's find all the pictures that has the O sound. Corn, corn. Fork, fork. Cord, cord. Bone, bone. Short, short. Horn, horn. Torch, torch. Pork, pork. Porch, porch. Torn, torn. Fantastic. Well done everyone. Great job. Great work. Well done.